Time has just brought to you race number 3. At ang ating instant replay is brought to you by Santa Ana Park dito po sa Naik, Cavite, kung saan kayo ang bida.
And the race is on. JST Forest All running by the rallies Rosa Success. Down on the inside, Wild Wind, Wonder Pub, San Marino. Second last, Wild Claim My Prize is running at the tail of the field. Rosa Success by 2, followed by Wild Wind. JST is racing third by a length and a half. Forest All down on the inside. Wonder Pub is racing in fifth by San 3 lengths. San Marino is racing second last, and Claim My Prize is running at the tail of the field. Last 650, Rosa Success by 3 lengths, followed by Wild Wind, and running by the Forest All alongside this JST. San Marino is racing in fifth together with Wonder Pump, Claim My Prize. Last 450, Rosa Success by 3 lengths, followed by Forest All, Wild Wind, San Marino down on the inside as they race the final corner. Rosa Success still leading the pack by some 3 lengths, followed now by San Marino from the outside. Forest All, Wonder Pop down on the inside. Rosa Success, San Marino is on the outside, rushing up, moves up to take the lead, and finally San Marino. Rosa Success, Forest All close, Claim My Prize, Wonder Pop, Wild Wind, and JS